'cause they knew just where I'd be. And they said you were the crooked kind, that you would never have no worth, but you were always gold to me. And back when we were kids, we swore we knew the future, and our wits would take us halfway around the world. But I never left this town, and you never saw New York, and we ain't ever crossed the sea. But I am fine with where I am now. This home is home and all that I need. But for you, this place is shame. But you can blame me when there's no one left to blame. I don't mind. There were holes in you, the kind that I could not mend. And I heard you say, right when you left that day, does everything go away? Yeah, everything goes away. But I'm gonna be here till forever, so just call when you're